Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to build a basic coming soon page, okay, using HTML CSS. So this is the basic coming soon page we are going to build in this video. It's a completely responsive coming soon page without any email notification. This is the basic coming soon page. So let's get started how we are going to build this coming soon page using HTML and CSS. Let's dive into the code base. Okay, so far I have created one folder saying images. In that I have added the background image and as well as the logo. All these assets I will give you in the description of this video. Please download from there. Apart from that, I have created index.html and I have created main.css. Okay, in that I have added the font family Poppins. Okay, so this is the basic HTML structure. I have also added the link to the main.css. Okay, let's start into the code coming soon page. Let's create section. Let's give a class as main wrapper. Okay, let's create a div with class of logo. Let's add the image tag to it. This will be like the logo, and after that we are going to a div one more with content wrapper. Then in that we are going to create a h1 tag. So let's add the class to the h1 tag saying heading, saying headings. So we are going to say we are, let's add em tag to it. Let's add span for setting up, and we are done with the h1 tag. So let's create the p tag. Below that there is a some description about your website. So I'm writing some lorem ipsum. Write whatever you want to. Okay, this is the lorem ipsum text. So we are done with the HTML. So this is the structure that we are going to use it for the basic coming soon page. We have created one section saying main wrapper. In that I have created a two divs, one div for the logo and one div for the content wrapper. In that I have created the h1 tag, and apart from that I have created the p tag. Okay, so we are done with the HTML part. Let's add some CSS to it. So for box sizing, border box, merge box sizing, border box. This is like common for all the projects. So make sure you will add these things before starting any project. So we are done with it. Okay, let's add some CSS to the body tag. So first add the CSS to the HTML tag. Say overflow auto. Let's add some CSS to the body tag. Let's say font size as 16 pixel and color will be FFF. The font family Poppins. Sans serif. Okay, let's add the width as 100%. So this is the common CSS for all the projects. Let's add the overflow as Eden. Okay, let's add the CSS to the our main wrapper. Width 100%. Position will be absolute and height will be 100%. Top will be 0 pixel and left will be 0 pixel and background color will be hashtag CCC and the background image we are going to use so we are going to use it background image. Background size will be cover. Background repeat, no repeat. Background position bottom center. Okay, so we are done with the main wrapper. Let's add some CSS to the logo. Position will be absolute. Top 0 pixel. Width 100%. Padding 20 pixel. Background will be white. And line height will be 0 and left 0 pixel. So we are done with the logo part as you see here. Okay, so let's add some CSS to the our content wrapper, which is the next div, main wrapper, the content wrapper. This will be position absolute, top 150 pixel, left 100 pixel, padding 33 pixel, max width 480 pixel. The background will be so we have added the background to the content wrapper. Let's add some CSS to the h1 tag. To the class we have added, so headings. Okay, font weight will be normal and font size will be 56 pixel. Text transform uppercase, line height will be 50 pixel. The margin bottom will be 50 pixel. Let's add some CSS to the em tag. So the main wrapper dot content wrapper dot headings em. Okay, the text transform will be lowercase. So let's add some CSS to the. So we have added the CSS for the h1 tag. In that we have added the CSS for the em tag as well. Let's add the CSS for the span tag. Let's copy this one, and instead of that let's add span tag. So in the display block, and the font weight will be bold. Okay, let's add some CSS to the p tag. So we are done. After adding CSS to the p tag, we are done with the desktop version of it. Let's add CSS to the p tag. The font size will be 18 pixel, line height will be 22 pixel, margin bottom will be 10 pixel, and letter spacing will be 1 pixel. Okay, so we are done with the desktop version of it. So as you see here, so we have developed so far the desktop version. Let's make it the responsive. Let's add the media query. For 640 pixel, Let's add the CSS to the main wrapper itself. Padding 15 pixel and width will be 100%. Okay, the main wrapper. Then we are going to add it for the logo. Padding will be 15 pixel and left will be 0 and the top will be 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Let's add some CSS to the content wrapper. Position will be absolute and the top will be 80 pixel and the left will be 10% and the max width will be 80% and the padding will be 15 pixel. Let's add some CSS to the heading, which is h1 tag. The font size in the desktop we have keep it as 56. Let's keep it as 48 pixel and margin bottom will be 25 pixel. Okay, let's add some CSS to the p tag as well. We will reduce the font size to 16 pixel. Let's add one more media query for 480 pixel. So this is the last CSS that we are going to use it. So let's add some CSS to the h1 tag. In that we are going to, so for the font size we'll be going to use it for 46 pixel and the margin bottom will be 15 pixel and the line height will be 36 pixel. Okay, so we are done with the h1 tag. Let's add some CSS to the p tag as well. Font size will be 14 pixel and the line height say 18 pixel and the margin bottom as 5 pixel. So we are done with the responsive also. So let's have a look how is it looking on the, this is how it is looking on the desktop version. So let's move it to the responsive side. This is how it is looking on the different devices. Okay, it's a completely responsive site. If you need, we can add some more line art to it. For example, let's add 52 pixel or else let's add 48 pixel to line art. Let's copy this one. Let's check the desktop also. Desktop is fine. For the mobile, let's add the line art at, sorry, my bad. How much we have added? 48 pixel for the max width. So So we are done with it. Okay, it's a complete responsive basic coming soon page. I hope you find value in this video. Please hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos are coming soon in this channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.